Hi folks, this video is all about how to write your explanation. You're going to write your explanation with a claim that answers your question, evidence, specific data that supports your claim, and reasoning. Scientific information that helps you explain why your results came out the way they did. More specifically, in your claim, you can use the same claim that you've been using throughout your lab report. In my case, I noticed that as angle increased to 45 degrees, range increased, and then after 45 degrees, range decreased. It's a claim that answers my question about angle and range. Your variables might be different, and so your claim might be different. For evidence, I'm going to look at my data table and cite the specific data that supports my claim. I know that my highest range was at 45 degrees and about 700 centimeters, and my lowest range was at 75 degrees, about 200 centimeters. That's evidence that supports my claim. My reasoning will use Newton's laws and what I've learned about projectile motion to explain my results. There are some videos posted today that can also help you explain your results. In my case, I know from what I learned yesterday that when I launch a rocket, the force gets divided between the horizontal push and the vertical push. And my results support that because when the vertical push and the horizontal push are about even, like in a 45-degree angle, I get lots of forward momentum and lots of vertical momentum. So the rocket's in the air for a long time and it's able to move forward that entire time. That's my reason. And so my explanation includes the claim, the evidence, and the reasoning.